Welcome to our channel. Today we have exciting video for you. Here I will explain you how to create your own indicator, custom indicator using your AI tool. Normally I am recording our video in Hindi, but today I am making an exceptional to share this valuable information in English so everyone can get benefit from it. So let's drive it. Have you have you ever want you to create your own custom indicator for trading, but found some process time consuming or complex? Are you not aware of the Pine Code editor coding? You are not have a good handsome knowledge of computers and computer language. Then don't worry. After watching this video, you will able to create your own indicator within a second with the help of AI tool. I will help you and explain you how we can create an our own custom indicator by using the AI tool. Just watch it. Just I open the Chat GTP. Here I can prompt the Chat GTP, the AI tool, to create an indicator for me. Just I giving a live example. Suppose I want to create an indicator on 20 EMA breakout. I just type this line. Please create an indicator in Pine editor code for 20 EMA breakout. And please plot 20 EMA line with green color. And after typing my instruction or prompt to AI tool, the Chat GTP, I just enter. And within a second, this AI tool provide me the entire code. See the beauty of the AI tool. Using the AI tool for indicator creation is very easy and very handy if you don't know about the any computer language, yeah, any computer skills. Even though you can create your indicator by simply typing your requirement in a simple English language. See the example. I just given my requirement to AI tool. कि I want a indicator in PI editor code. ठीक है, even that I mentioned the code as well. He recognized that if pi editor of the I'm talking about a trading view platform, he create the 20 MA breakout and code for me. See the code. Within a second, he typed that. Even that he provide the copy code option here. We can just click the code copy on clipboard. Just go to your pi editor. You can open the indicator video. ठीक है, then just click here and paste the code. ठीक है, you simply get indicator within a second. Just save it, save the code, and then click on add to chart. ठीक है, add to chart. ठीक है, it's very simple to create an indicator within a second. I here demonstrate how to create an indicator on ChatGTP. So even furthermore in future, whatever you require, you can create your own code by simple giving the prompt or command on ChatGTP. The simple I can show also the how can you use this indicator. Even though whenever you create your own custom indicator, you know what are the conditions where this indicator will be work very good, excellent, provide excellent results. Like Y indicator, I am creating a 20 EMA breakout, 20 EMA breakout indicator. So if I'm talking about 20 EMA breakout indicator and I want to use it with the optimum result, so I have to use it on trending day. Trending day means a day which means a day which break a low or high of previous day. That called a trending day. In trending day, if I am using this indicator, it provides the awesome result. For example, here I have a chart of NSC, and this is a 5 minute time frame chart of Nifty 50 index. And here I add my indicator and see the result. Here I get first breakout signal for a buy around 11 a.m. Up to market close in the same direction. If you're talking about the point around 135 point we have gained in this way. Here again you see that is a trending day. The previous day high is break from this day, but it's not sustained. But it's a trending day. It clear by the opening, and I see the result when I get the signal of selling from around 10 a.m. up to the market close. Okay, that is the you can say the best way of using that indicator. You can even then you can find out the trending stocks, yeah, trending index. Are you able to find the trending day by my method, which I explaining here? The simple way. See the high and see the low. If any day open within this range and struggling in that range, that means it is inside day. See the example, when it's break the high of previous day, it gives some good result. Okay, so we have to find out if the day is trending, then only I can use this indicator. Like see this example of inside day, the candle is open within the range of low and high, sorry, high and low, and see the result, the sideways day. Okay, see here, the low is break. Okay, and then you see the result. Here I got the sell signal around 10:10 up to the market close. Okay, see here, market breaks the previous day high, not able to sustain, and here I get the signal around 11:30 up to the market close. See the result. Market open with the gap up, and it's a trending day. It completely break the range of 2 or 3 days, previous to 2 or 3 days, and see the result. I got signal here, and from this signal, the market, the price not see back to that level. It make a higher high in a full day. Okay. So you can create a easily your indicator by the help of AI tool. Okay. I just gave an example of Chat GTP. Simply, I just type in English and I give the requirement to AI tool, and within a second, AI create a indicator for me. But I have to know about the how can I utilize that indicator on my trading part, on my trading strategy, how it will provide the optimal result in particular market. That is the beauty you have to know about. Means the combination of AI to and your intelligence will provide a best result. Hope you can you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And this video is dedicated to my audience which only understand the English. I get a request from few uh, English audience to create a video on English as well. So I start creating a video whenever I get the time. Uh, Here I get some comments from some subscribers here can audience. They are requesting me to create a video on English language. So I sure I will create this video as well in English language. But whenever I found something exciting and I want to share it within the more to more audience, then I will create in both language, Indian and English. So hope you like my video. Then please subscribe, share my channel, and promote my channel as well. Sure, this is my promise. I will give you some extraordinary valuable content for you. Thanks for watching my video.